Say welcome, huh, Harper?
Say hi.
Say hi. She's just happy to be here. So this is our spot at the palm, so you can actually rent this from us. The listing will link right here.
It has a full kitchen, refrigerators, bathroom tub, 2 TVs. It has
Beautiful view.
a really nice strip view.
Another plus is we just got the carpet.
That's the carpet done. Has a pull-out bed, so 2 beds.
Look, brand new carpet.
The bathroom is pretty nice too. Let's go see the bathroom. Bathroom has a nice shower that comes from the ceiling. Jets in the bathtub. Nice big bathtub. TV. Yeah, that's pretty much the quick tour.